As outdoor enthusiasts continue to seek new adventures in nature, the camping gear market is evolving rapidly, with innovative gadgets designed to enhance the camping experience. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-time explorer, having the right equipment can make all the difference in comfort, safety, and enjoyment. From high-tech tents that set up in seconds to portable solar chargers that keep your devices powered, the gear available on Amazon in 2025 is truly impressive. This curated list showcases 15 of the coolest camping gear and gadgets that not only elevate your outdoor experience, but also bring convenience and fun to your adventures. BioLite CampStove 2. The BioLite CampStove 2 is a game changer for outdoor cooking and charging on the go. Priced at $150, this innovative stove uses patented combustion technology to create a smokeless flame, allowing you to cook meals while converting fire into electricity. It boasts a 3,200 mAh battery and a USB output of 3 watts, making it compatible with most USB chargeable devices. The CampStove 2 boils 1 liter of water in just 4.5 minutes and operates on biomass like sticks and twigs, so you can leave the gas canisters behind. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for any camping adventure. Reiff Knives F4 Bushcraft. The Reiff Knives F4 Bushcraft is a top-tier survival knife priced at $335 that excels in both functionality and durability. With a robust 4-inch CPM 3V high alloy steel blade, it handles the toughest survival tasks while remaining agile enough for detailed bushcraft work. The knife's spine is designed to produce sparks from a ferro rod, making it a versatile tool for fire starting. Weighing just 7.7 ounces, its skeletonized full-tang and ergonomic G10 handle ensure comfort during prolonged use. Whether crafting a bow drill or field dressing game, the F4 is an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Survivor Filter Pro. The Survivor Filter Pro is an excellent investment for outdoor enthusiasts, priced at $70. Weighing just 12.8 ounces, this compact and lightweight water filter is perfect for hiking, camping, and backpacking. Its user-friendly design allows for immediate access to clean water without the need for charging or waiting. With an impressive flow rate of 17 ounces per minute, you can quickly fill up your water bottle from any freshwater source. The filter removes 99.999% of tested viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, adhering to NSF and NSI standards. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring lasting reliability for your adventures. M48 Tomahawk Axe. The M48 Tomahawk Axe, priced at $55, is a versatile tool that excels in both functionality and durability. Its 3/7/8-inch precision cast stainless steel blade ensures reliable performance for various tasks, while the 8-inch axe head is securely attached with 3 bolts for enhanced stability. The nylon reinforced fiberglass handle is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to maneuver during use. At an overall length of 15 inches, it provides optimal reach for chopping or tactical applications. Additionally, the durable nylon sheath offers safe storage and convenient transport, making this tomahawk an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. REDCAMP. The REDCAMP Outdoor Fire Pit Stove, priced at $30, is an excellent choice for camping and outdoor gatherings. Constructed from durable 304 stainless steel, it resists corrosion and features a double wall design for efficient burning with minimal smoke. This portable fire pit provides quick heat and enhances your outdoor experience by reducing smoke irritation. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport, with dimensions of 36 by 36 by 38 centimeters when open, and a compact 36.5 by 36.5 by 27.5 centimeters when folded. Assembly is straightforward, allowing you to enjoy warmth and light in minutes. Perfect for family gatherings, parties, and barbecues. The NATA double-sided axe, priced at $93, is a superb blend of a hatchet and machete, offering exceptional versatility for outdoor tasks. Its 9.5-inch double-bevel edge is crafted from premium proprietary Japanese steel, ensuring durability and sharpness for effective chopping. The full-tang blade design adds strength and stability, making it reliable for heavy-duty use. The 2-part rubber handle absorbs impact, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Additionally, it comes with a custom carrying case, enhancing portability and protection. Overall, the NATA double-sided axe is a premium chopper that stands out for both performance and craftsmanship in any outdoor adventure. Blackfire. The Blackfire Bluetooth wireless speaker, priced at $40, is an impressive outdoor companion, combining durability with high-quality sound. Its rugged design is rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, making it suitable for various environments. With a wireless range of up to 32 feet, you can easily connect your devices, and it also includes a wired auxiliary input for added convenience. The integrated hang hole and magnetic strap allow for versatile mounting options, whether on metal surfaces or around bags. With 10 hours of battery life and a hands-free speakerphone feature, the Blackfire speaker delivers excellent performance for outdoor adventures. Everdure Cube. The Everdure Cube, priced at $164, is a fantastic portable grill that blends convenience and functionality for outdoor enthusiasts. Constructed from lightweight steel, it features cool-to-touch handles, making it easy to transport for tailgating, beach trips, or camping. The integrated base allows it to be used on any heat-resistant surface while protecting the underlying area. This all-in-one charcoal BBQ comes with an accessory storage tray and a bamboo cutting board, enhancing its utility. With 115 square inches of grilling space, it accommodates up to 6 small burgers or 3 medium steaks. Easy to clean and designed for longevity, the Everdure Cube is a perfect companion for outdoor cooking adventures. Fenix LR35R. The Fenix LR35R, priced at $199, is an exceptional flashlight that delivers an impressive 10,000 lumen beam, reaching distances of over 546 yards. Ideal for search and rescue, hunting, and caving. Despite its powerful performance, this flashlight is surprisingly compact, measuring just 5.5 inches, making it easy to carry in your hand or include in any outdoor kit. The durable aluminum alloy construction and IP68 waterproof rating ensure it can withstand tough conditions. Charging is a breeze with the included USB-C fast charging cable. The kit also comes with batteries, a holster, a lanyard, and LumenTac organizers, making it a complete and reliable lighting solution for any adventure. Exotac nanoSPARK lighter. The Exotac nanoSPARK lighter, priced at $30, is a remarkable tool designed for reliability and ease of use, even in challenging situations. Its one-handed operation is a significant advantage, especially if you're injured. The replaceable flint is a thoughtful feature with space for up to 5 extras stored in the tinder capsule. This lighter also includes a quick light tab that ignites easily with a spark, ensuring you're prepared for any fire-starting needs. Constructed from high-grade 6061 aluminum and waterproofed with O-rings, the nanoSPARK is built to withstand the elements. Overall, it's an essential and durable companion for outdoor adventures. Trekology Aluft Plus. The Trekology Aluft Plus inflatable camping pillow, priced at $15, is an excellent choice for campers and travelers seeking comfort and convenience. Weighing just 6 ounces and packing down to the size of a soda can, it's remarkably lightweight and portable. The removable cover features a utility pocket, making it easy to clean and customize for various sleeping situations. Its ergonomic design provides optimal neck support, helping to prevent stiffness. The pillow also comes with a removable strap to secure it to your sleeping pad, ensuring a restful night's sleep. With a durable leak-proof TPU bladder, inflation and deflation are quick and hassle-free. Paxis Swivel Arm Backpack. The Paxis Swivel Arm Backpack, priced at $245, is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Its patented swing arm technology allows for effortless access to your gear, making it perfect for activities like hiking, fishing, and photography. Constructed with high-quality materials, this backpack is built to withstand rugged conditions. The ample storage space, including a spacious main compartment and multiple pockets, keeps your essentials organized and easily accessible. Additionally, the padded shoulder straps and back panel ensure comfortable carrying for all-day adventures. Whether you're birdwatching or flying drones, the Paxis Swivel Arm Backpack is designed to enhance your outdoor experience. Portable Camping Stove. The portable camping stove, priced at just $7, offers impressive performance for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, it features a durable, wind-proof design that withstands the elements, making it perfect for camping or hiking. With an adjustable control valve, you can easily manage the flame from a rapid boil to a gentle simmer, achieving a maximum heat output of 3,000 watts. Compact and lightweight, measuring only 4 by 5 by 8 centimeters, it easily fits into any backpack, while the included plastic box ensures convenient storage. This stove is a fantastic budget-friendly option for cooking on the go, enhancing your outdoor meals effortlessly. Folding Camping Chair. The folding camping chair, priced at $55, is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and convenience. Constructed with durable 600D Oxford fabric and a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, it can support up to 450 pounds, ensuring stability. The chair is easy to set up and transport, folding down to a compact size of 9.05 by 38.58 inches and weighing only 13.2 pounds. Thoughtful features like a mesh cup holder, a side pocket for essentials, and an ice pack compartment for keeping drinks cool enhance its usability. Ideal for camping, fishing, or picnics, this chair combines comfort with practicality for any outdoor adventure. Hatsan Factor RCPCP. The Hatsan Factor RCPCP air rifle, priced at $900, impresses with its blend of precision and versatility. Its repeating side lever action and ambidextrous design accommodate all shooters, while the 3-power adjustable transfer port and Quattro 2-stage trigger ensure a customizable shooting experience. The quiet energy-shrouded barrel significantly reduces noise, making it ideal for discreet shooting. With a maximum velocity of 950 feet per second and 29.5 foot-pounds of energy, it delivers powerful performance, while the detachable magazine offers ease of use. Additional features like the built-in pressure gauge and adjustable stock enhance comfort and control, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned shooters.